Hello there, and welcome to the Simple Budget Walkthrough by Framewrk. This one is exactly what it says, simple. It's all on one tab, built for beginners, and most people are set up and going in just a few minutes. Whether you're paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, this tracker has you covered. Let's take a look around. Start by entering your subcategories. These are the individual things you earn and spend on, like your salary, your groceries, your rent, or a car loan. They sit under income, savings, bills, expenses, and debt, with room for up to 50 in each. For everyone, type what you plan to spend or save in the planned column. When something gets paid, reaches completion, or is received, tick its box. That tick box turns the planned amount into your actual and grays the line off, so you can see at a glance what's still active. Below your category tables is the transactions log. This is where you log what you spend and earn. Set the date, type the amount, and pick a category and subcategory from the drop-downs. These are automatically pulled from your category tables for you to select. As you log transactions, everything updates for you. The totals, the charts, the progress bars, all the math is done for you. Right beside the log, you'll see your category breakdowns fill in as you go, so you can see exactly where your money's going across income, savings, expenses, bills, and debt. Finally, up top, you've got your budget visuals. In one look, you can see what's safe to spend, how your money's tracking through the month, and how you're doing on savings, income, and debt. Click through the drop-downs above some of the charts to switch up what each chart shows. That's everything. Thanks so much for your purchase, and we hope this makes managing your money simple and clear. If you ever need a hand, send us a message on Etsy. We're always happy to help. And if you find your new tracker useful, please leave us a review on Etsy. Thanks again for choosing us.